Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm Angisha on my channel Creations 007 to showcase some of the beautiful tags that I made for a couple as thank you tags to give to their loved ones before this year ends. So I would like to show you, and these are all these beautiful tags. I'll just show you one by one. So the first one is this with a beautiful floral background with some floral die cuts and some vellum flowers and some mulberry leaves die cuts. It's a thank you tag from a couple to their friends, and I really love the crafting them. The back side I have kept plain so that they can add some extra messages on it. So this is the one. Second is this one again with the floral background, butterfly die cuts, beautiful purplish flowers, pink butterfly, and I really like the combination. It's really looking very beautiful if my camera is working proper. Yeah. And the second one, the third one is this with some jute flowers and again with some tags. This is the die cuts that I used from dress my craft collection, and I added some sequence to to add some glittery effect, some shiny things, and I really love adding such kind of elements. It really highlights your work and gives a beautiful results to your project. Again with purple flower with a vellum. These flowers are made of vellum, and these flowers I bought from Itsy Bitsy, so you can definitely search on their website. Added some beautiful ribbons, and if you notice I also have some beautiful small star sequences on it, and I really love the way it is shining. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so moving on to this one, and this is I'm really loving this. The way this die cut is placed over it really highlights the tag, and even the combination of flowers again with the sequence, some die cuts at the background and ribbons. Okay, this is the very beautiful with the blue background at the back and the pink flowers at the front with a die cut again. Okay, the flower, this is again from the Itsy Bitsy store. I have added some blue glitter on it just to it'll give a beautiful shiny effect, and this is looking very nice. The background paper that I have used in my all the tags is a Mongolian collection from Dress My Craft, so you can definitely check on their website. So this one is with a little small sequence, it's fairy over here, cute birdie over here, and yeah, thank you on all the tags because this were purposely made for that purpose. Okay, so with this are handmade flowers that I made using dies from Itsy Bitsy and some honeycomb die cuts at the back. Again, the paper is from the Dress My Craft Mongolian collection. Next is this with a beautiful lady with a wing and a keyboard of a clock here. Again with a jute flower, and this is really looking very beautiful with this red touch, red pollens and die cuts. Okay, so the next one is this blue one again with a pink flower and some cheesecloth. This is very beautiful. I really love adding cheesecloths. Some heart cheapos over here. So the last but the not the least is this tag with a green background and pink and peaches flowers, some beautiful die cuts. This year I have used a small heart which really highlights the work, and I really like the way it is coming out. So this is the last one. If you guys noticed, I have also used some color splashes on all my tags this way, which really highlights the work and gives a beautiful effect to your projects. So this were all my beautiful tags that I wanted to share with you guys before the year end, because it's a thank you card tags. So if you guys like this video, I know you definitely would have loved all my tags. So do like and also share. Also let me know in the comment section what video tutorials you would like to watch, and I will really love to make those videos for you guys. Thank you. Meet you next time.